the lesson 3 of term 2 safety and home of class 3. First we can see here, circle the things that we should keep in a first aid box. So here we are having a different type of things here: antiseptic, lipstick, okay, perfume, powder, next bandage, okay, next lotion, scissor. So what the things we need in the first aid, we have to circle them. Next, be safe. Accidents happen suddenly. People get hurt in accidents sometimes. Accidents can put and live in danger. We can avoid accidents if we are careful and following the safety rules. So everything happens when we are careless. If we are careful while we are doing, nothing will happen. So here see the children. Okay, he is playing and slipped. Next, this fell down from the stairs. The slipping from the floor. These all can avoid by we are careful. Be safe in the classroom. Do not hit anyone or throw things at anyone. So, in the classroom, what we should do? We should not hit anyone. Okay, and throw the things on them. Do not climb onto the desk. So, you should not climb onto the desk and jumping, okay, from the benches. Use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. So, while you are writing, you will use a pencil. Okay, for that pencil you have to use only a sharpener. Be careful while using a scissors and needles. So while cutting or stitching, you have to be careful with scissors and needles. Okay na? So be safe on the playground. Learn and follow the rules of whenever the game you play. Do not hit others with a bat, a ball or anything which can cause injury. Wait for your turn at the swing, at the seesaw, in fact everywhere. So while you are playing in the playground, on the park or swinging or seesaw, you should be very careful. Be safe on the road. Walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Before crossing, look to the right, left and again to the right and cross the road when it is clear or when the traffic stops. If there is some way, use it to cross a road. So while you are walking on the road, okay, you have to walk on the footpath and cross from the zebra crossing. And while you are crossing the road, look at your right and left and then move. Okay. So here we can see you should not move before the vehicle while you are turning or a moving vehicle. You should not keep any hand. Okay, now it is very not safety to us. And next we can see here checkpoint. Use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Use an subway to cross a road. Be safe at home. Do not leave your toys, bags and shoes on the floor. Someone could trip over them. So while you are playing, you have to keep your toys after playing in some place. If you left that, what happened? They will trip on them and they will fall. Be careful with the sharp things like knives, blades and scissors. You may hurt yourself. So while you are knifing something or cutting with knives and blades and scissors, so you should be very careful. While lighting candles and matches, hold them away from your body. And while you are matching with the sticks to the candles, you should be and fire can hurt you very badly. So you should be very careful with the fire and be careful near stoves and do not touch hot pans or boiling water. While the water is boiling or hot pans, you should be very careful. Do not touch electrical gadgets or switches with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Okay, the hand should be very dry. Take medicines only after asking an adult. We have to ask an adult if the medicine is preferable or not. Do not play with plastic bags, bed sheets or pillows by pulling them over your head. So you should not do this. And first aid, how we can do the first aid? After an accident, the first help that injured person gets is called a first aid. If one of your friends get hurt, you need to give first aid before an adult can reach you. Here is what you can do. Do not panic and keep calm. Okay, you should not be panic with that person. And do not crowd around the injured person. That means if the person is here, the crowd should not be round. Okay, and call a doctor or an adult. And do not let the wound blast. Okay, here the wounding is bleeding, the lost blood is harmful. So when these accidents happen, you should call an adult. Okay, clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion, and you can also apply any antiseptic lotion or ointment. After cleaning with water, you have to apply the antiseptic lotion to that wound and tie a clean hanky or a bandage to that wound and make the injured person sit or lay. Okay, after doing this first aid, make the person to lay on the bench and keep the wounded part of the body raised and comfort your injured friend. Home is the best. Our houses keep us safe from the heat of the sun, the cold, the rain, and the storm. Okay, so house is the best thing. A good house, the rooms in a house should be airy and well lit. So the surroundings should be neat. A house should have open space like a veranda or a courtyard. So there should be open place for playing. This gives us fresh air, sunlight, and a place to play in. Okay, and doors and windows should be fitted with a wire netting to keep flies and mosquitoes away. So here we can see it is netted with. A house should have a well-planned drainage system that carries the dirty water away from the house. So we should have a proper drainage system. And care of the house. Wash basins, bathrooms and toilets must be washed and cleaned daily. Okay, so we have to clean every day these washrooms and also bathrooms and toilets and the wash basins. Curtains must be washed regularly and drains from the kitchen and the bathroom must be covered. So we have to cover this. And mosquitoes breathed in uncovered drains or in a dirty water that collects near the house, they spread diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Okay, if the drains are not covered, what happens? We can get the diseases. And dustbins must be covered so that the flies do not lay eggs in the rubbish. Garbage must be thrown in a proper dumping place and not on the roads. Okay, we have to throw our waste in a dumping place of the road. A house becomes a home when the people living it in love each other and help to keep your house clean and make it a pleasant place to live in. Okay, when we keep our house neat and clean, then only we have a happy life. And here we can see that the correct answers. To avoid the accidents, you must follow safety rules. You may get an electric shock if you switch with wet hands. First aid should be given to an injured person immediately. Dustbin should be kept covered and keep away houseflies. The room in a house should be airy and well lit. So we have here the unscrambled words. The first one is injury, bandage, footpath.